Imagine having a robot that could transform your life, doing your laundry, cooking dinner, watching over your house, and even taking over the boring parts of your job. Sounds amazing, right? The global robotics market is projected to reach $500 billion by 2030, and Elon Musk Optimus Gen 2 might just be the technology that gets us there. But is it really the miracle everyone thinks it is? Or could it become a menace? Today, we're diving into everything about Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, its groundbreaking features, the risks involved, and what the Bible might say about this kind of technology. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. The Bible says in the book of Daniel, "But you, Daniel, shut up the words and seal the book until the time of the end. Many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall increase." Daniel 12:4. Does this prophecy describe our world today? Think about it. People are moving faster than ever with cars, planes, and soon maybe even autonomous robots. Knowledge is expanding at lightning speed. AI robots and technologies we could only dream of a few decades ago are now part of our lives. Could Daniel have foreseen our era, a time of rapid innovation, endless information, and constant movement? It certainly seems like his words are coming to life right before our eyes. So what exactly is Optimus Gen 2? And why is everyone talking about it? Optimus Gen 2 is Tesla's latest humanoid robot, designed to work alongside humans, whether in factories or homes. Here are some standout features that make it unique. Number 1. Improved mobility and speed. Optimus Gen 2 moves 30% faster, making it more capable of navigating complex environment. Whether it's a busy factory floor or a cluttered living room, it's designed to keep up with human demands. Number 2, lighter weight. It's 10 kg lighter than its predecessor, meaning it can work longer without needing frequent recharging. This makes it practical for industries looking to boost productivity without constant downtime. Number 3, enhanced sensory capabilities. Optimus Gen 2's advanced sensors allow it to handle delicate objects like picking up an egg without breaking it. Number 4, natural movement. Its improved neck and limb articulation make it move in a way that feels natural. Imagine it walking your dog or bringing you a glass of water. Simple task done smoothly without awkwardness. These features are designed to make Optimus Gen 2 not just functional, but an integrated part of our daily lives. A partner that helps us in a way that feels natural. How can Optimus Gen 2 be used? Elon Musk envisions these robots in numerous industries, working on factory lines, doing repetitive and dangerous tasks, or even providing care to the elderly. Imagine a robot that reminds someone to take their medication or keeps them company when no one else can. One of the most impressive things about Optimus Gen 2 is that it can be controlled via headsets. Picture this, you can put on a VR headset and now you're operating a robot in a dangerous place like a construction site or during a disaster response. Instead of risking human lives, you can send in Optimus. Musk is optimistic that these robots will start working in Tesla factories by 2025 and could be available to others by 2026. With a price of $20,000 to $30,000, it's not cheap. But for businesses, it could be a game changer. Imagine robots like Optimus cooking dinner, cleaning houses, assisting in hospitals, or doing the heavy lifting in factories. It's about making robots more than just gadgets. They're partners in everyday life. But with great potential comes significant risks. Let's get specific about what could go wrong with robots like Optimus Gen 2. Number 1, safety concerns. Imagine a robot helping an elderly person, but sensor malfunctions. What if it drops something heavy or pushes someone accidentally? Even small malfunctions can lead to serious consequences, especially around vulnerable people. Number 2, job displacement. Robots can excel at repetitive tasks, but that also means they could replace human workers, leading to job losses and financial hardship. For families, many workers could lose their jobs as robots handle more tasks. Then, privacy issues. Optimus Gen 2 has advanced sensors, including cameras and microphones. Now, imagine someone hacking into your household robot. They could see or hear everything going on. Privacy is a major concern as these robots become part of our personal lives. How do we ensure our data and activities aren't being monitored or misused? Then, Neuralink concerns. Elon Musk has also mentioned connecting robots to our brains using Neuralink chips that could allow us to control machines with our thoughts. Imagine commanding a robot with just a thought. It sounds amazing, right? But what if that connection gets hacked? The potential for misuse is enormous. A hacked Neuralink could send unwanted signals to our brains, potentially leading to dangerous consequences. Then, Then, emotional and ethical concerns. Robots as caregivers might seem helpful, but they can't replace real human interaction. While they can assist with tasks, they lack the ability to truly care or empathize. In the future, some might make robots their husbands or wives. Women might fall in love with robots and even hold weddings with them. Some might also try to engage sexual relationships with robots, which raises significant ethical and emotional issue, blurring the boundaries of genuine human relationships and leading to consequences that do not align with healthy, God-given connections. Then, faking God's creation. Making robots that look too human-like can be seen as attempting to replicate God's unique creation. It's better to design robots that are clearly machines, respecting the distinction between human beings and inventions. Then this is worse. Subjugation of humanity. Robots could be used to subdue humanity if they fall into the wrong hands. They could be pre-programmed to serve the interests of a single controller, potentially even in a dystopian future. Imagine robots armed with weapons, guns, nukes, rockets being used to enforce harmful agendas. Now, is it God's will that we create humanoid robots? The Bible doesn't specifically mention robots, but it encourages us to be creative and make use of the resources God has given us. In Genesis 1:28, building robots can be part of that creativity, solving problems and improving the world, but creativity must come with responsibility. We have been using robots and computers for decades. It was not inherently wrong. The wrong part is when you use it for selfish and harmful purposes. Now, things to remember when using robots. Robots should help us, not replace us. The real danger comes when we start treating robots as equals to humans. Replacing human relationships with robots crosses a line. They can make life easier, but they can't replace the love, empathy, and moral decisions that come with being human. We need to use technology to enhance our care for each other, not to take the place of genuine relationship. We must ensure that our technological advancements honor God and respect the value of every individual. We must also give jobs to the jobless if it is within our power to do so. Failing to do it is a sin. Then, over-relying on technology can lead to idolatry, placing our trust in machines rather than in God. We're called to innovate, but we must do so in a way that honors God. Psalm 118 verse 8 tells us it is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in man. As we embrace these new technologies, we must keep our priorities straight. Technology should serve us, but our ultimate trust must be always in God. Love people more than robots. Some might love robots more than humans because robots are expensive and very obedient. But the Bible says, "A command I give you, love one another as I have loved you." John 13:34-35. Use robots to help, not harm people. And the glory must be given to God in our accomplishments. Then humans must not see themselves as gods simply because they can create powerful machines. No technology can be more powerful than God. Remember that, my brothers. So, there you have it. Optimus Gen 2, a groundbreaking technology with incredible potential, but also significant risk. Miracle or a menace? It's up to us to decide how we use it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see Optimus Gen 2 as a blessing or a threat? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.